Hello and a warm welcome to Festool TV. My name is Alan. Cutting stone, concrete, tiles or brick safely and efficiently is no problem for the Festool DSC AGC 18. It is incredibly robust, packed with features and very safe to use. Working with masonry materials, the waste that is generated is very abrasive and not a great companion for electric motors and electronics. So the first question is, how durable is the grinder? Well, at the foundation of the DSC AGC is the maintenance-free Festool EC-Tech brushless motor. The motor is completely encapsulated to protect it from dust. Here is a conventional brushless motor and here is an encapsulated one. And the electronics are also sealed from dust and grime. There is also electronic overload protection, which is constantly monitoring the motor. If the grinder is excessively overloaded, the motor is shut down to allow it to cool sufficiently. So the encapsulated motor, sealed electronics and overload protection all combine together to make an incredibly robust grinder. But it is not just a robust grinder, it also has clever features. When cutting glaze tiles, there is a base protector to prevent scratching the glaze surface. The protector is fitted by sliding the front of the grinder into this protector in this orientation and then clipped in the rear catch. The cutting depth with the cover on is 24 millimeters, but if you take the cover off, it is 27 millimeters. When you need to cut right into the corner, the front part of the shroud can be moved out the way. To do this, the protective base and the front handle must not be fitted. Now I can pull this green lever back to unlock and then keep on pulling to slide the front section of the shroud right out the way. Notice also the fantastic clear line of sight offered by the shroud. The DSC is robust. It has great features, but how do I use it? Let's take a quick look at a few functions. The disc is fitted by first removing the battery. Seat the bottom flange onto the spindle in this orientation with a raised round profile on top. Fit the correct disc, nesting it into the bottom flange, and check that the disc is fitted to the correct rotational direction. Screw in the locking nut whilst holding the spindle lock, and then use the face spanner to tighten the locking nut. Whenever I first change any disc, I run the power tool without load for a minute. The speed can be adjusted between 4,500 and 8,500 RPM using the controller here. The Festool DSC AGC is also fully loaded with safety features. Vibration from the grinder is limited because the brushless motor is separated from the housing, and the special handle from Festool also offers a nice buffer from vibration. The DSC has restart protection, soft start, motor brake and also recoil protection. So if there is a sudden reduction in speed, for example if the blade gets jammed into a cut, the motor stops immediately. To restart the grinder, switch the grinder off and then on again. Good extraction is achieved because the design of the grinder is focused to delivering excellent extraction. The shroud and the disc rotation works together to direct the waste away. But when you use the DSC as part of the Festool system, that's when you really see excellent results. The interlocking 36mm hose is perfect to interface with your Festool Bluetooth extractor, and then the Bluetooth batteries will communicate with the extractor, turning the extractor on as soon as the grinder is switched on. All these elements work seamlessly together as a system to remove and contain 95% of the waste. Festool not only designed beautiful, robust power tools and systems, but also offer an unparalleled support package called Festool Service. If you register your new Festool, you will qualify for Festool Warranty All-Inclusive. And this offers 3-year warranty repairs, including batteries and chargers, 10-year spare part availability, and also theft protection. At Festool, systems get it done. Thank you for watching Festool TV.